Oh, look at this, poor day. In comes the grey. So what they're doing is they're pouring the concrete through a boom pump. You can see, whoa. There's the concrete truck. Puts concrete in that. Up the hose, whoa. Wow, look at that. Isn't that exciting? Woohoo! And there we are, the slab is poured. Oh, look at this. Let's have a bit of a walk around. So you can see our porch is lower. There's our garage there. Let's go around here. We've got our wet area. Yep. Those things there are our puddle flanges, which are floorways and things, pipes sticking up in our wet area. You see we've stepped the wet area down. So then when now it gets tiled and the flooring's installed inside, it will be nice and flat. There'll be no step to knock your toe on. Kitchen pipes over here. And then we've got at the back, we've got our alfresco. Alfresco, and this little step is our brick rebate. Our bricks will sit on this lower section and our frame will sit on there. So yeah, that's it, that's the slab. Now let me just show you the drive, where the driveway will connect into the garage. Now, I showed you this on another video. So we've got a bigger rebate here. Let's see how big it is. There we go, it's a bit bigger. So the driveway will actually come in and sit on top of this. So then when the garage door is down, you don't see the garage floor. That'll make sense later. There is a water tank slab. Conduit sticking through. Fantastic.